Today I'm up on a roof in Ackworth, Georgia. It's North Atlanta area, and found something that I hadn't seen before. It's a dryer vent coming out of the roof, and you can see the dryer vent right here. It's designed to come out of the side of the wall of the house, but it's up on the roof, and there's a ham can, and it's on the top of it, keeping the rain and stuff from getting in the vent on this side. And you can also see where they had welded it on to the vent itself. Looks like the top of the can's kind of rusty. They're going to need to get another ham can to replace it. But also, if I can get out of that picture, when we cleaned it out, this is actually what we had found. It had all kind of crud in it. It does need cleaning, and I'm gonna suggest them to have a new ham can replaced, because this one is rusted out. Hey, you never know what you're going to find on an inspection. I just thought I'd share that with you today. This is David Lelak with IHI Home Inspections in the North Atlanta area. If you need a detailed home inspection, an inspector that walks the roof of over 99% of all homes he inspects, please give us a call at 404-788-2581, or you could visit us on the web. You could schedule your inspection there at IHI Home Inspections.com.